Hey guys, I am in Santee today. Right behind me is a new development that I want to show you. It's Plan 1. I have a few other videos about this area, but with that being said, let's get in with the house. So as you can see, this is Plan 1 right here, and it's just over 2,000 square feet. Let's get into the property. But before we get in, all the other homes are currently being built, so I just wanted to show you that. And you do have a park right here. It's a little loud because they're still building. But as you walk into the property, it feels very open and wide. Then you have the stairs going up to the second floor. But right now let's focus on the first floor. Right there is your garage, two-car garage. Walk in, you have some closet space. You can put all your luggages here. Walking in to your living area. Very calm and peaceful. Actually, I like the music that they put on. So you have amazing floors, and this is extra, but overall the house, from the 900s, the high 900s to the low millions, this really cannot beat this. You're 20 to 25 minutes away from downtown San Diego. You have new appliances that come with the house. This house, I believe, was a little bit extra with the nicer appliances and finishes. It's very white, very bright and open. Windows all throughout, so you get sunlight throughout the whole day, and it feels very cozy, warm and open. This is, let's see if it's gonna open. It's not gonna open, but this is your backyard for Plan 1. Pretty much not a lot of space, but it would be great if you have a dog and you don't want to walk them sometimes. You can just let them play outside. And you do have the turf grass area right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but and with the AC right there. So you have pretty much enough space. It's not the biggest, but enough space. The other model homes have smaller backyards, but let's go to the second floor. And on the way to the second floor, we have carpet. And we have a bathroom for all the guests to use. Now let's go to the second floor. And on the second floor, you have where you can convert this area to an office, have some workspace with a window, which is great. It is a little hot. I don't think the AC is on, but washer and dryer over here, which is amazing. Cabinets where you can put all of your wash and dry stuff. You are a little closer to the other homes. That's kind of the only negative that I would say is in this community, but you are paying $1 million. So I don't think it's a bad deal. And they have a few left. So this bedroom comes with a closet, which is actually surprisingly large. You have windows. A lot of sunlight coming in. I cannot tell you how much a property is worth more just by having more sunlight. It makes you more happy, more energized. Everybody needs vitamin D, especially in California. You have the bathroom here and shower. So one sink, and then you have another one connected here, which is very interesting. Okay, let's walk in. That's another bedroom. So this layout is very interesting, connected. Now the sink here with another closet for this bedroom. And then this bedroom also has sunlight coming in, only one window. They are still planning and making, so they are just working on the foundation right now. The foundation over there is already done. They do have 5 more homes that are available, that will be available this week. So by the time you see this video, if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me. But let's check out the master right now. This master is facing the mountains. Very nice. Does get sunlight too. Very large room. I like the finishes. I like how bright the house is. Just by coloring and making it white is great, but also adding a little bit more touches is amazing. You got the TV over here. Very calming and soothing. Walk-in closet. Very large. I would say it's enough for him and for her. And let's go to the bathroom and shower area. You have the toilet over here. Another, could be even like a makeup area. So plenty of space and storage. And then you have double sink vanity right here with the windows right there with the lights. If I was living here and I was this close to the house, I would probably just tint the windows or put something to cover it for privacy. You have the bath and the shower. And again, guys, this is in Santee. It's a new development. It starts in the high 900s. And if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Alex. I am a local real estate agent here in San Diego with Compass Realty. If you're looking to buy, sell, invest in real estate in sunny San Diego, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to be a resource for you. I had pleasure showing you this home, and I have more property tours coming up on this channel. So stay tuned, and until then, до свидания.